Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get Lion application on your PC. So you can download two ways. First of all, you can go to their official website, Lion app. So you can see this one, lion.me. So you can get for your Apple, or you can see for your Windows and Android also. So if you click here, then it will install, or you can also, like, you can say click here, line. So you can say second option, click the install. It's really easy. After installing, you can log in. I will create how to log in PC in upcoming tutorial. So, okay, friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.